1965 Chevrolet Nova, two-door hardtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Kind of got that drag car feel to it. GNC writing on the Krieger chrome wheels. Disc brakes up front. 350 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact transmission. Take a look at the chrome up front. You want to point this out on the bumper right there, and just a little bit on that trim piece. Repainted to this purple gloss paint. Imperfection there on the hood. Now, if you want to take your time looking through the still pictures, look it over from top to bottom. You'll be able to see the undersides, the interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in here in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Black cloth and vinyl combination interior. B&M Pro Stick shifter down there on the floor. You're going to see some things when we pop the hood, let you check out that engine bay here at Run. I'll hit those in just a little bit, but first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. All right, some of the things we're going to see underneath the hood. Again, 350 underneath it that's been built. Does have aluminum heads. They're Edelbrock Performers. Also has an AFS Edelbrock carb. Edelbrock Victor Junior intake. Moroso electric water pump. Headers, HEI ignition. So that's some of the things you're going to see after I start it up. Let you take a peek underneath there. Nice little rumble to it. A couple things down here I want to point out also. A couple little imperfections down there in the lower door area. Now for the interior. Bucket seats. Door panels. Does have an aftermarket stereo system put in. I have not gotten that to fire up. Did have the wipers working. Speakers and everything appears to be there for that stereo system. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Here at Run, we'll go through some of the aftermarket gauges in here too. The aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. Water temp, oil pressure, tack, and not had that work. Like I said, kind of a drag car feel to it. There's the Pro Stick. B&M shifter. Let this warm up a little bit. Little rumble coming out of that 350. Definitely turn some heads, your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. Alright, let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pop this hood. Check out the engine bay and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look underside of the hood. Here's that engine bay. 350. See some things I'm talking about. HEI ignition. Also, electric water pump. Aluminum radiator. Aluminum heads. Victor Junior intake. Definitely sounds healthy. 1965 Chevrolet Nova two-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.